Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Lingua Insides. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, this is Mavish Rana once again with you with an other interesting topic, and that is perfect continuous tense. I hope you are learning something from my lessons. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's talk about present perfect continuous tense in a very simple way. First of all, I will like to discuss when to use present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about action that started in the past and are still continuing. Action that have recently stopped but the effects are still relevant. Actions that have been happening repeatedly over a period of time. Here are some examples we will talk about ongoing actions, recent action, and repeated actions. Ongoing action, for example, she has been studying for 2 hours. Recent actions, they have been painting the house recently. Repeated action, he has been training every day this week. How to use positive structure. The verb always takes ing, like I, you, we, and they. We use the verb have been eating. I have been eating, you have been eating, we have been eating, they have been eating. The difference is that in the previous video, we have learned about that with the present perfect tense, we use has and have. And for negative, we use have not or has not. In present perfect continuous, we just add been also, right? And with singular, he, she, it has been. We use and add only been with them. To make the negative structure, we use not with has been and have been. Has been and have been follow the same pattern. With singular, we use has been. With plural, we use have been. We just add not with them. Like I have not been eating, you have not been eating, we have not been eating, and they have not been eating. And for the singulars, he has not been eating lunch, she has not been eating lunch, and it has not been eating lunch. So here I will discuss the question structure. To make the question, we use have and has in the beginning of the sentence. Like have I, you, we, they been eating? First, use has or have. Has और have को आप सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में ले आते हैं, उसके बाद आपका सब्जेक्ट होता है, फिर आप बीन यूज करते हैं और फिर वर्ब फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी. Like has he, she, it been eating lunch? So there are several spelling rules with adding ing. For most verbs, simply add ing to the base form of the verb. Like do, doing, play, playing, study, studying. For verbs ending in e, drop the e and add ing. Like make, making, take, taking, write, writing. For one syllable verbs ending in consonants plus vowel or consonants, double the final consonants and add ing. Like sit, sitting, run, running, plan, planning. For verbs ending in ie, change the ie to y. जो वर्ड ie पे खत्म हो रहे होंगे, जो वर्ब फॉर्म ie पे एंड हो रही हैं, आपने उनके साथ ie को हटाकर y का यूज करना है एंड देन उसके साथ ing का एडिशन करना है. लाइक टाई, टाइम, डाई, डाई, लाई, लाई. For verbs ending in c, add k before adding ing. जो वर्ड सी पे एंड हो रहे होते हैं उसके साथ आपने के का ऐड करना है और ing की फॉर्म यूज करनी है. लाइक पिकनिक, पिकनिकिंग, पैनिक, पैनिकिंग, mimic, mimicking. So let's talk about for and since in present perfect continuous tense. I have already discussed with you in my previous video, that was present perfect tense. Now let's talk about in a different way. For indicates the duration of time. For example, I have been waiting for you for an hour. She has been playing the piano for 2 hours. They have been learning French for 6 months. This is the duration of time. I have already told you in my previous videos that for is the used to highlight the duration of time. Since refers to the starting point of the action. For example, I have been reading this book since yesterday. He has been working at the company since 2010, and we have been waiting for the bus since 8 a.m. So these are some uses of for and since. Thank you for watching Lingua Insides. Stay connected with Lingua Insides for more engaging and interacting videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insides and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Always be optimistic and don't lose hope and believe in your hard work. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.